What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I've been posting on the community page letting you guys know that I'm starting to get into phase 2 of the Wrx build, and the last piece did come in. This is still in the package. It is the Duraflex fenders. Yeah, I went with the cheap route. It's fun to do some body work, honestly, if you have the patience. I definitely don't have patience, but when it comes to car things, for some reason I have patience for that. I knew it was gonna need some body work, so all those that, you know, thinks of Duraflex just a slap-on kit, get that out your head. Realize that you got to do some work to it to get it to fit on nicer. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this mocked up onto the wagon. So it needs a lot of fabrication. Gonna need to put a bracket right behind here so that this doesn't get pushed out. So I've just zip tied it for now just to hold it in place. You can see 2 spots and then the one in the rear. I'm gonna have to do a lot of Bondo work, sanding and stuff just to get this to fit properly. But overall, it's gonna be a fun process. I like the way it's going so far. It's not as wide as I expected, so it has the look, wide body look, but I don't think it's wide like I thought it was gonna be. But let me get the other side hooked up, then we could work on the rear. So we got the passenger side on. This is how it looks. I had a zip tie part of it. I didn't shave off this side yet. Gotta definitely trim over here, trim this angle right here. Gonna have to add some brackets to the inside of the passenger side and the driver's side to help keep this flexing outward more, because it is not flexing. So Duraflex, definitely worth it for the base. If you wanted to do the work yourself, this is good for a base to start off, and then you could create your own to make it neat. The hood is fully down, and as you can see, it is it's all right on this side, not too good, and then on this side it's terrible. So this side needs a lot of work, but overall I like it. I like where it's going. Gonna have to do a lot of body work, but that's what keeps me exhilarated. So we're gonna go ahead and continue on to the rear end and go from there. I went a little overboard and went ahead, mounted up the rear end. What I mean by mounted is I put screws into the kit. So what I did was add a screw right here at the corner, down here at the corner. Then as you can see, there's none on the sides, right? That's because I put one on the inside and another one at the bottom, so that I could mock it up and see how it is. This is bulging out because I have my fender pulled from when I was super static and cambered. So now I gotta cut the body. So I'm gonna run it up probably right here, and then just cut all the way along up to here, just following the body line. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see if I have to unscrew that and then patch the hole, but we'll see. The other side, I did the same thing. The only thing that's held up by tape right now is the rear quarter panel where the gas is gonna be. So far it looks good. It looks better on this side because I guess I couldn't pull more of the fender since the gas cap was on this side and it was just this little piece of metal. So this sits a little better, but not too good. So gonna have to cut that up, but this is mounted as well. The screw right here and down there. I do have a seam sealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and weld up once I cut. And then I also have panel bond, we are gonna mold this body kit onto the wagon. So this is the last time you guys are gonna see it again, and we're gonna go ahead and get the whole process going. Alright, so I just got a new GoPro mount and I wanted to test it out, so switched over to the GoPro. I'm gonna continue on removing the bumper so I could start cutting up the fender, and no turning back from there. Yep, we're just gonna go ahead and try to find a line, cut it, but I gotta remove this first to get over. I guess that's all I need for now though, just to move this out the way, really, so I could start cutting it up from right here and just continue along. Oh, so scuffed. Towel's always the best friend. Boom. Okay, so I'm about to get the Dremel, or not the Dremel, I'm gonna get the cutoff wheel, and we're gonna go to the point of no return. Oh boy. Alright, you guys, it is 9:15, pretty late. I was recording like pretty much of the same stuff, so I stopped it, but I did get most of the fenders on, or the body kit on, but I tried to add the gas tank. It didn't go very well, so I'm gonna mess with that tomorrow. It's late, so I'm not trying to chop up that. I got this side welded, seam sealed, so it's all good to go. And tomorrow we'll go mess around with trying to fit it nicer, and then probably panel bond it to the body. Yeah, because so far the passenger side has been the best side. This side is more flush, but like I said, I think it's because of the way I rolled and pulled on the other side, and it didn't have the gas tank, so it pulled a lot more than I expected. But this side is still pretty decent. Could be better. Could be better. Yeah, we're getting there. Wide body. Yes, sir. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep doing what you love and stay excited doing it. Stay exhilarated, fan, because it's not what you do, or it's not who I am. It is what you do. Stay exhilarated. Catch you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before I leave. Peace out. Stay exhilarated.